One hand this and try to be ghetto. Gangster, whatever.
How long can you gangster? Yes.
So stupid to hold.
How? I mean,
I've got more arm strength than you.
it doesn't work.
Yeah, give me a go.
Count 5 and then turn your hand.
Justin being gangster.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's not easy, is it?
I have the power! Apparently not.
No.
There we go.
Do me both, do this. Look at me go. Don't let go, I'll break an arm. Oh no, I'm paying for this.
Oh,
It is ridiculous.
Yeah, it's stupid heavy.
I've got you in my sights.
Make.Test.Battle. Sort of educational today, not really. This is just an unboxing, and today I'm a guest inside Daniel's shed. Daniel is a massive fan of Overwatch. We live in Australia, and he decided to import a big-ass, expensive rival Soldier 76 blaster. So screw it, let's do it. Do you want to do the honors?
It's giant.
Holy crap. This is the longest box. Possibly, is this the longest blaster they've released? Could you grab a long shot with a front gun?
Right behind you.
Oh, wait.
Go to prime it. Prime it, then
Nice.
make release.
That's a pen. Does it surpass the long boy?
You want me to grab the...
Holy crap. Yeah, grab that off.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a lot of packaging. I'm sure that is the longest Nerf box. Oh, wow. That is heavy. Holy crap. Not quite. But then definitely. Feel that? And then feel... Holy crap, that's like 5 of those.
Yeah, 3.5 kilos. With
Is it?
batteries, yeah.
How much was ship... I don't... No, wait. Don't answer that question. How much was shipping? But, hey, CJ, bring this back! We need... Hey...
We're bringing them out of the package.
Okay, let's just... Yes. Quick overview of the blaster and the aesthetics. Yep, it looks like the pulse rifle.
It's big. Really goddamn big.
Did you already put batteries in it?
Batteries are in.
Wait, does this part move? Does that actually?
Yes.
Wait,
Yeah.
yeah, pull the trigger, show it. Wait.
And like that. Here to here.
Is that 1 ball per cycle? Or
Yes.
that? Okay.
Yeah.
So, like, is that actually... Oh, okay, it's just a belt.
Just a belt, yeah.
So it's like a really small...
Percy's, yeah, that's the one. Yeah.
Well, I guess you had the Percy's now. But before that... I don't know, my rivals.
Nemesis.
Yeah, Nemesis, that's it. Ah, and the Prometheus. Damn.
It's so big and stupid,
Okay.
it's awesome.
So, Australian, how much was this?
For 240.
Okay. So what's that? Yeah, whatever that works out USD.
I think they're selling for about
No.
100 in the US. But then shipping, so it's about right.
Yeah. But it's 3 kilos of shipping, no wonder. Flywheels, there's a hop up in there. Don't do that one. Don't look down the barrel, kids. I'm just impressed by, like, they've gone to town with the aesthetics on this. Each of the coloured parts is actually the coloured plastic. Oh no, the center's painted. But, like, all these are individual components and parts. And even, actually, I like this on this side. Never seen this on a Nerf blaster on the outside. Oh no, wait. Yes, we have. With the Tri-Strike stock. Actually having vinyl tube. That's a nice aesthetical touch.
Yeah, it's a nice little place to run a wire through to put a little voltmeter or something up there.
Oh yeah, up top here.
That'd be
Or a counter.
counter,
Small
yeah.
What it came with.
Some assembly required.
What's this other helmet that we started the video with?
Oh, just a crappy knockoff Wish.
Oh lol. This seems better. It's actually got breathing holes. Maybe.
Maybe. A little bit smaller, but hell, it's a lot more comfier than that
Oh
damn
no,
thing
this,
was.
this actually... Oh, this one actually has, like, paintball mask buffer on the front. Like actual goggles. Okay. What do we got? Oh no, other side. I feel dumb.
Smarter than me. Just fucking hammer it.
Oh, there you go.
Hooray! Now you gotta do the other one.
Alright.
10 minutes later.
10 hours later. I think that's on.
Hooray!
You gotta wear this to Nerf Wars now, you know. We'll get you a nice spiky white wig.
Hair's getting whitened up anyway, so.
Does that... Oh, okay, so there's no actual release switch for the top slide. It's just a, like, friction fit that goes over this tab here. Trigger, rev trigger. How does that... Holy crap. That is so heavy.
It's going to be fun to run at HBZ. I am not going to be running much because.
The problem is that it's so heavy for such a small ammo capacity.
Yeah.
This feels heavier than a Nemesis, and like the Nemesis is 100, but it feels like there's a whole heap of dead space. Where do the batteries live? Oh, okay. So what's all this weight at the front then? Like, I think
plastic.
I'm surprised they didn't like hollow all the top out here for more ammo capacity. And honestly, looking at that, that's definitely a mod you could do if you're serious about this. But oh yeah, rocket launcher.
Missile launcher, 3 megas. Oh.
Balls, please. Is this going to be a mantelpiece, or you're actually going to use it at wars?
I'll probably use it for shits and giggles. Oh man.
Use it for half a round, get tired, switch to something else.
Yeah, well, running around with this thing, 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's weird. I don't know if I like that.
It's not easy to load.
You do the honors.
Jesus, so stupid to hold.
Safety squints!
See,
What about the masks?
Oh wait, the masks!
Masks!
Yes! Now we can be safe. This is really solid, but you can tell it's kind of cheap. Wait, where'd you get it?
Wish.
Yeah, this is like missing a head, like a forehead rest piece, so this is now just pressing against my face. Yeah, so this is the Wish one, and there's no support at the top, whereas the actual Nerf one has got, yeah, proper, like, almost paintball gasket. However, there's no vent holes through this, so that might get a bit sweaty. Alright, go for it. Hang on. That's alright. Oh no, I'm stuck. I would say that this is probably stock rival performance, so probably 90 FPS. It's just another, you know, it's a rival reshell of stuff that Nerf is already making for the rival line. But, that said, they've actually gone to town on the details on this, so I don't know, if you're a really lazy cosplayer who doesn't want to 3D print or pay someone else to make something for you, or muck around with craft foam, this is super accurate. Well, actually, the heft might be a problem, because that would suck carrying that around all day at a con.
Yeah.
Or even at a war, like,
Even if you've just got it strapped to you, that would not be fun.
Wait, what strap? There's...
No bandolier points, no.
No. We might try a firing test. Hang on, we'll be right back.
Sarsaparilla, kid, sarsaparilla.
Sarsaparilla. In lieu of a ranged test or a chronograph test... Wait, do we have a chronograph? No, too late.
Yeah, I got a crony, but...
We're just gonna do a firing test, whatever. I think it needs an overvolting or something. Because that's...
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't shoot as fast. Like,
No,
the rate of fire is pretty low.
It's low, it's stupidly big.
I think an overvolt would give you, push it up to an 11.4 LiPo or something.
Oh, yeah, well, that's a plan.
Thank you very much, Daniel, for having me over and letting me film you unbox this. Are you happy with your purchase?
It's big, it's stupid, I love it.
It's like when I first got the Thunderhawk. It's like, yeah. Alright, thank you very much. Hope this was slightly amusing. More videos very soon. Patreon.com/Make.Test.Battle. Support the channel if you want to see it continue. Bye. It's okay, Damo, you can come in.
It's like a random cat just trying to get back into its house. Like, what are these people? What's happening?
So girdle. No, he's gonna wear it. He's gonna wear it.
Or you could just put it off the hog.
He has to wear it. He has no choice.
Gonna put the beard in.
Tuck the beard inside.
Jesus.